Now on Fox 25, Party on Patriots.
Go Pats!
A parade of duck boats. Greeted by thousands of fans.
And you guys are the best fans ever! Woo!
Singing in the rain.
Let's go! Let's go!
Dancing in the snow.
I told you we're going to bring this sucker home, and we brought it home.
Thanking the team that brought home number 5.
They said we couldn't do it! Yeah!
Now, Titletown looking for one more.
That's number 5. Hell yeah, that's number 5. We want this! We want this! We want this!
From the Super Bowl champs.
We'll talk about a high five. It was absolutely electric in the City of Champions today.
Such an exciting day for the
really
city.
Was,
and you were out there. The snow, the rain didn't dampen anybody's spirits. Everybody handled it beautifully.
Yeah.
Boston police estimate more than 1 million fans lined the streets to see the Super Bowl champions, of course. But, you know, it's been a remarkable day.
It really has, and it's been a remarkable run in this city, especially since 2001. And here we are celebrating again.
And if there's one thing we know how to do here in New England, Elizabeth, it's how to celebrate, right? And put on a great parade.